me fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, I needed recently an Oxy-acetylene cutter. Acetylene? Yeah. But I couldn't find one relatively cheap. And I decided that I'll wait until I find something good. So I found this one. It's made in Bulgaria in the Soviet times. I paid 8 euros. 10, no, euro is higher than the dollar, so around $5-6. I think it's worth the scrap price. So what is it? It's a acetylene oxygen cutter, but it can be used on propane oxygen. Because it's in very bad shape, I'll completely take it apart, and the purpose of the video, 1 minute later, the purpose of the video is to fully take it apart to see what is inside and how everything is working. I'm not gonna show you how I'm gonna refurbish it. I'll just take it apart and you'll see what is inside. And I'll see what is inside as well. So, a bit more light maybe, yeah. Let's see the whole thing. So that's what it says on it. SCB Krakra Bulgaria. And this one is in Cyrillic. It says the city Pernik ZZM. So everything is made out of brass. The handle is made of aluminium. This thing here, the knob, is also made of aluminium. One knob is missing. I'll try to completely take it apart and have a look. So first thing, the easiest one I think, is gonna be this thing. It feels very heavy. I had a feeling for one Chinese one, and it was a lot lighter. So that's the brass nut. Does it focus nicely? Okay. One more. So this one, it's sitting right here, and it's sealing these rings. Can you make the whole thing a bit more? Maybe like so. Now, this part here is completely stuck, and this thing here, the nozzle, is completely blocked. So, what I'm gonna take, I'll take WD-40 Big Brother AB80. Never mind. Okay. Let's leave it one side like so. Now, $8mm nut. It doesn't really want to go out. There we go. So what it says here, and focus. Acetylene. Z, that's for zatvoreno, which means closed, and O for otvoreno. It needs a lot more R, otvoreno, which means open. So this side is open, this one is closed. Okay. Next one. Now let's take a screwdriver and have a look on the handle. Or should we know? I know it's just pipes underneath, so should we undo these two? I don't think so. Maybe I can undo. This one feels very loose. I will be very interested to see the mechanism. This nut as well. Let's see, what size is this nut? Maybe 16 or 17 maybe. Now it's something bigger. 18, 19. I got one 19 here. Yeah, it's 19. Give me a second. Okay. Can you see what is it? Some type of cotton. Does it pull out or what it does? Yeah, it pulls out. Is that what it seals, the whole thing? Indeed, yeah. That's what it is. Wow. I definitely didn't know about that. Can you see it? It's a piece of cotton. It's cotton string. Very good. Good luck putting this one back together. Okay. Look, there is a special way that is being put on. That's it. Very strange. Okay, let's see that one. Oh, that's nice. Prefer this brewing angle. If you touch it, you break it. And that's the, I'm sure this is the oxygen. Again, can we open this one here? What is this one for? No, maybe 15. No, 14 maybe. Yeah, okay. I don't know what this one is for, but okay. Next one, the handles right here. I still need to undo this part right there. There is one on top as well. Interesting. There is one for the top. Can you see it? Right here. Thicker one. And this one? Oh, this one got the one as well. Okay. Two nuts. One top screw, one bottom screw. Okay. Only one of these. Two nuts. One top thingy. One nut. This one. Look how nice this one is. I'll just brush it and blow it with the thingy. Now let's see how we gonna open this one. $9mm, maybe. Ah, that was so easy. And I'll maybe need to soak this one. Soak it and just leave it like this for a while. Well, this is fully disassembled except these two thingies. If I assemble it and got all of the stuff for it, I will show it working. But that's mainly it. Bulgarian Oxy-acetylene cutter. I hope the video has been interesting and helpful to you. Like, subscribe if it is, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.